So you want an RX-8? Well, you're in luck, because in this video we're going to take a closer look at this iconic sports car and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's start with the basics. The RX-8 was produced by Mazda between 2003 and 2012. It's a two-door sports car with a unique rotary engine that delivers a smooth, high-revving power band. Speaking of the engine, let's talk about some other specs. The RX-8 came with either a 1.3-liter or 1.3-liter Renesis rotary engine depending on the year and model. Horsepower range from around 190 to 238, and the redline was an impressive 9,000 RPM. With a top speed of around 150 miles per hour, the RX-8 is definitely a fast and fun car to drive. But it's not just about speed and performance. The RX-8 also has a unique look and feel that sets it apart from other sports cars. With its sleek lines, distinctive front grille, and four-door design, the RX-8 is a head-turner on the road. So, what are some of the pros and cons of owning an RX-8? Here are a few things to consider. Unique rotary engine delivers smooth, high-revving power, sleek head-turning design, fun and engaging to drive, handles well in corners and curves, can be relatively affordable compared to other sports cars. Rotary engine requires more maintenance and can be less reliable than traditional engines. Fuel economy can be poor, and especially if you drive aggressively. Back seat is cramped and not ideal for passengers. Some models have issues with engine flooding and other mechanical problems. Now, if you're thinking about buying an RX-8, one question you might be asking is how many miles you should look for. After all, the rotary engine in the RX-8 has a reputation for being less reliable than traditional engines, so you might be worried about buying a car with high mileage. The truth is, there is no hard and fast rule when it comes to mileage on an RX-8. However, as a general rule of thumb, you'll want to look for a car with relatively low mileage, ideally less than 100,000 miles, and make sure it's been well maintained. If you can find an RX-8 that's been properly cared for with regular oil changes and other maintenance, it can be a reliable and fun to drive car that will last for many years. But if you buy a high mileage RX-8 that's been neglected or poorly maintained, you could be in for some expensive repairs down the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, because that is the only way that our channel can grow, so I can give you guys more information about cars. See you in the next video.